Ever wondered how to get your money out of Robinhood? It's a question every investor asks at some point. Maybe you need the cash for a new opportunity, or perhaps you want to consolidate your investments. Whatever the reason, knowing how to withdraw your funds is essential. Robinhood has become a popular platform, especially among younger investors, thanks to its user-friendly interface and commission-free trading. But like any financial platform, it's crucial to understand the ins and outs of moving your money, both in and out. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of withdrawing money from your Robinhood account, step by step. We'll cover everything you need to know, from the different withdrawal methods available to potential fees and processing times. So, if you're ready to learn how to access your funds, let's dive right in. Understanding your Robinhood account. Before we jump into the withdrawal process, let's take a quick look at your Robinhood account. Think of it as your financial hub within the Robinhood platform. It's where your investments live, and it's also where you manage your funds. Your account holds the cash you've deposited, the proceeds from selling stocks or other investments, and any dividends you've received. This is the money you can withdraw. Methods for withdrawing money. Robinhood offers a straightforward way to withdraw your money, electronic transfer, also known as ACH transfer. This is the most common method, and it's generally the fastest and most cost-effective. Step-by-step guide to withdrawing money. Now, let's get to the main event, how to actually withdraw your money. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Robinhood account. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone or visiting the Robinhood website on your computer. Make sure you're logged in securely. Navigate to the account section. Once you're logged in, look for the account icon. It's usually located in the bottom right corner of the app or in the top right corner of the website. Click on it to access your account details. Select Transfers. Within the account section, you'll find an option called Transfers. This is where you manage all your money movements, including deposits and withdrawals. Tap or click on it. Choose Withdraw Funds. On the transfer screen, you'll see two options, Deposit Funds and Withdraw Funds. Since you want to withdraw money, select Withdraw Funds. Link your bank account. If you haven't already linked your bank account to your Robinhood account, you'll need to do so now. This is a one-time process. Robinhood uses secure methods to verify your bank account, usually by asking you to confirm small trial deposits or by using your online banking credentials. Enter the withdrawal amount. Once your bank account is linked, you can enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure you have enough available cash in your Robinhood account to cover the withdrawal. Review and confirm. Before you finalize the withdrawal, Robinhood will show you a summary of the transaction, including the amount you're withdrawing, the bank account it's being sent to, and any applicable fees. Double-check all the details to ensure they're correct. Submit the withdrawal request. If everything looks good, go ahead and submit the withdrawal request. Robinhood will process your request, and the funds will be transferred to your bank account. Important considerations. While withdrawing money from Robinhood is generally straightforward, there are a few things to keep in mind. Processing time. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. This means it might take a few days for the money to show up in your bank account. Weekends and holidays can sometimes affect processing times. Fees. Robinhood doesn't usually charge fees for withdrawals, but your bank might. Check with your bank to see if they have any fees for receiving electronic transfers. Minimum withdrawal amount. Robinhood doesn't have a minimum withdrawal amount, but your bank might. Again, it's a good idea to check with your bank. Account restrictions. In some cases, your account might have restrictions that prevent you from withdrawing funds immediately. This could happen if you recently made a large deposit or if there are any issues with your account. Security. Always be cautious when handling your financial information. Make sure you're using a secure internet connection and that you're logging into the official Robinhood website or app. Tips for smooth withdrawals. To ensure a smooth withdrawal process, here are a few tips. Plan ahead. If you need the money by a certain date, plan your withdrawal in advance to account for processing times. Double-check your bank details. Make sure you enter your bank account information correctly to avoid any delays or errors. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your Robinhood account and your bank account to track the progress of your withdrawal. Contact Robinhood support. If you encounter any issues or have questions about the withdrawal process, don't hesitate to contact Robinhood customer support. They're there to help you. Withdrawing money from your Robinhood account is a straightforward process, especially with the ACH transfer method. By following the steps we've outlined in this video and keeping the important considerations in mind, you can access your funds quickly and easily. Remember, it's essential to understand how your financial platforms work, including how to move your money. This knowledge empowers you to manage your investments effectively and make informed financial decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.